Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove TikTok strikes. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So the strike actually expires naturally after 90 days, but if you would like to remove it before that, you need to submit an appeal directly from your app. So for that you have to go to TikTok, and you have to remember is that TikTok, whenever you get an appeal, you will directly receive a inbox notification. Go ahead, check it out, and if you do not hear in the system notification, you will receive it. And then once you have done seen it, you're gonna go to profile, go to horizontal line on top right corner, tap on settings and privacy, and then you're gonna go ahead, tap on this option of help center, tap on report a problem, scroll all the way down, tap on online reporting form, select option which have to be account access and security, select again, you can tap on banned account, and then you're gonna go ahead, go to username, add in your account's username which you have got strike on. You're gonna add in your email, phone, or third parties, like add an email preferable. Then go ahead, go to the additional details, and here you will write a message that you have got strike even if you have not violated any community guideline violence. You would like to get that strike removed as soon as possible. Write it down, tap on done, and then upload attachment if you have a screenshot. Tap on submit, and there you go. Once they have a result, they will simply send you an email regarding. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.